God. Hey guys, my name is Nurmi. Welcome back to my channel. This is Red Luna Journal. So I'm doing a little get ready with me today for a holiday party that I'm going to tonight. I already kind of started filming, but then it was at a weird angle, so I'm changing it now so you guys can see my makeup clearly. But I already put on my lotion and my foundation. My lotion is just the CeraVe facial lotion that I use all the time, and then my under eye cream as well from CeraVe. And then my foundation is just this foundation. So this is from my dermatologist for acne prone skin. So that's the foundation I used. And I just put a little light layer and I dabbed it on with this brush since I have a little acne today, since it was my finals week this past week and have it breaking out a little bit, you know? I am packing for my trip in a couple of days. I can't tell you guys where it is, but I will say it's very hot. So if you guys want to guess where I'm going, comment down below and we'll see if you guys are right. Using my Youngblood Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the color Dark. Gonna do blush now. So this is the Youngblood Pressed Mineral Blush in the shade Blossom. Highlighter, Youngblood Mineral Radiance in Splendor. Okay, so for eyes, I'm gonna use my Impressed You, that's the wrong way. Impressed You palette from Beauty Glaze. This is from Amazon. I got it for really cheap. I talked about it in my last Get Ready With Me video, I think. So I'm going to use this palette. 2 shades as transition shades. Those are usually what I use. So let's do that first. Oh my God. So I'm going to take this gold color. It's like more of a burnt mustard kind of a gold. So I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush and then put that on my eyelid. I'm going to take this small brush and put that same gold color. Actually, I'm going to do a lighter one. I'm going to put this one, like this yellow gold, on my inner corner. I'm going to take this side of the brush, the angled side, and then take this really sparkly green. I'm going to take this green. It's like an emerald green, and I got some on my finger. Nice. Super sparkly, and I'm just going to dab that and put it on my lower lash line. So I'm going to do this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise liquid eyeliner on my... lined it, the top of my ash line. The Maybelline Lash Sensational. That is my newest favorite mascara. I'm gonna line my waterline with the L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner Pencil. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I always use the same brow pencil. It's just the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the color Dark Brunette. And then I'm gonna take my Great Lash by Maybelline and put some brow gel. Oh my god, why do these not open? Red lips. I've been doing that a lot lately. I've been feeling it with the red lip. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Monte Carlo, and it's a beautiful shade. Okay guys, so this is my final outfit. So I'm wearing this beige turtleneck from Fashion Nova. And then I have on these high-waisted silk pants. I wore these in my first lookbook video, and there is a second lookbook video coming. Don't you worry, it's gonna be like a holiday, New Year's party, casual kind of lookbook. So I'm super excited for that. It should be coming in a couple days after you guys see this video. So that's that. But yeah, so I have that, and then I have my purse from Shein, and it's just like brown and black, and it has this like stripe. It's just festive, kind of like a Gucci themed. And then I have on my red bracelet that I always wear, and these silver ones that I always wear too. And then for my earrings, I have these big silver hoops. They were like $3 from Claire's, so just big silver hoops. And then that's pretty much it. You guys saw my makeup and everything, so yeah, this is the finished outfit. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you an idea kind of how to do like your makeup for a holiday party and some outfit ideas. Not everything has to be like super festive, clearly, so I think just doing like nice makeup and like maybe a red lip, definitely very holiday-esque. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram as well at Red Luna Journal, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!